Artificial intelligence is going to change the world more than anything in the history of mankind. More than electricity, said artificial intelligence oracle and venture capitalist Dr. Kai-Fu Lee. Undoubtedly, artificial intelligence is one of the most interesting technologies out there, and one of truly limitless potential. However, it's often perceived negatively. You might have seen those movies where lifelike and super intelligent robots start turning against their human counterparts. Hopefully though, this will only remain as an element of science fiction. There definitely are certain dangers associated with artificial intelligence, but most likely, it's not as severe as it may be perceived by many people out there. Artificial intelligence should not be considered a threat to humans, but an opportunity to change everything. Welcome to another video from Future Tech Enthusiast. In today's video, we've brought you a long-awaited video on artificial intelligence, exploring how it has the potential to change everything. Literally. If you're like us and are always curious about the changes in the technological world and are excited to learn more about artificial intelligence, this video is exactly for you. Today, we're not only going to discuss what artificial intelligence is, we will also find out how it's utilized, its future impacts, a few of its dangers, and how beneficial it can prove. Before we get right into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and also make sure to hit that bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever we release new videos. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a phenomenal technology and a branch of computer science. Its main purpose is to establish smart machines that are able to simulate human-like intelligence, giving them the ability to carry out tasks that normally needs a human to execute them. In simple words, it eliminates the need for human intelligence to carry out certain tasks. There are countless situations where artificial intelligence is being used on a daily basis already. We all use Google, right? When we type something, we often get recommendations from the Google search engine regarding things we're interested in. This is with the help of artificial intelligence. The technology is exactly what helps the search engine to show us spot-on recommendations and suggestions. Not just that, but also when we're shopping online, after just a few visits or clicks, the website starts showing us products that fits our individual needs. Artificial intelligence is used to detect the kind of products we like, identify our preferences, and then ultimately recommend products we genuinely need or are interested in buying. In the health sector, artificial intelligence is also being used to detect the kind of health issue a patient is going through simply by getting a few responses from the patient during a call. Apart from that, a major change we've seen and will continue to see is in the cyberspace. Artificial intelligence is already being used by different nations throughout the globe as a way to conduct in cyber warfare. The use of AI in warfare will completely transform the way wars are fought in the future. Additionally, some of the most popular examples of artificial intelligence we normally use daily are smart assistants, such as Siri and Alexa, or the recommendations we get from Netflix. Ever thought about how Netflix figures out what you prefer to watch and what you don't? Well, that's artificial intelligence for you. According to various researchers and individuals specializing in the field of artificial intelligence, the potential this wonderful technology has is just outstanding. Artificial intelligence is expected to impact the future of nearly every human being and industry. How we function today and our industries operate will completely change in the future. Artificial intelligence can make lives better and bring more efficiency and innovation, and it can also impact the economy of the world in the future. In fact, according to PwC, artificial intelligence technologies could increase global GDP by $15.7 trillion, a full 14%, by 2030. Moreover, a study from Redwood, conducted in 2017, indicated that around 60% of the business processes in the world could become automated during the next 5 years. Even today, if we observe how fast artificial intelligence is replacing the need for human intelligence, there are chances that the need for human intelligence may even end in the future. The decision-making by humans is slowly being reduced, and machines are being utilized to make decisions. As we already discussed, artificial intelligence is being used in cyberspace to fight cyber warfare. In the near future, we'll see how the healthcare industry, military, and even bureaucracy of countries will use artificial intelligence to make important decisions. Now, if we talk about the benefits of artificial intelligence, it will take an entire day for us to list all of these. But one of the most significant benefits of artificial intelligence is that it makes a lot of processes much easier and more efficient. Undoubtedly, it's still in the development phase, and new things related to artificial intelligence are being tested every day. It's certainly started to make things much more comfortable for people. Exact and accurate things that we genuinely need are being recommended to us online. The smart assistants on our phones have made it easier for us to browse things online and make calls or send texts to someone. Most small and medium-sized businesses that do not have a lot of budgets to hire employees can make use of artificial intelligence to carry out certain business activities cheaply and efficiently. For instance, they can install a chatbot system on their website. This would eliminate or reduce the need for hiring a customer care team. The chatbot will handle most of the customer's queries concerning that business. You see, artificial intelligence has countless benefits, and if used properly in the future, it can change everything positively. But similar to various other things, artificial intelligence can also be misused. It can harm humankind if not used properly. Where there are positives, there will be negatives as well. Artificial intelligence is no exception. Several dangers of artificial intelligence can prove to be damaging. As artificial intelligence eliminates the need for human intelligence, thousands, if not millions of people, will lose their jobs across a wide range of fields. Suppose a company is able to carry out its tasks cheaply through artificial intelligence. Why will it even hire a human being who might be less efficient and more expensive than a machine? In addition, due to artificial intelligence, there are chances that the spread of misinformation may increase rapidly. Deepfake, where fake images of a person are created with the help of artificial intelligence, can be used maliciously to spread false and inaccurate information. Artificial intelligence also has the potential to give rise to a global AI arms race. What's more harrowing is that artificial intelligence is cheaper than nuclear weapons. This means that all of the world's military powers can produce AI weapons in massive quantities. Not all of these nations will use these weapons properly. Some of these countries may end up misusing these AI weapons. And if they do, we could all be doomed. Alright everyone, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it interesting and informative. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos in the future. Also, make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we release new videos. If you want us to cover other topics related to artificial intelligence or anything technology related, then let us know about it in the comment section below. See you next time.